you're okay and not disabled, that you may need a tow or something like that.
A quiet moment. A man sitting alone, parked legally on the side of the road. But peace, that's a luxury he rarely gets. Out of nowhere, flashing lights, a patrol car pulls in. Not because of danger, not because of a law broken, but because someone felt uncomfortable with his presence. What starts as just checking in turns into a series of invasive questions. What was his real crime? Being alone, while black. This isn't protection, it's profiling, and it's happening in plain sight.
What's up, boss? How are you?
Can I help you?
How you doing?
Can I help you, sir?
Are you stranded or
Is there a reason why you're asking me questions?
parked on the side of the road?
Is that
Just wanna
illegal?
Make sure you're not disabled or anything like that.
I don't think that's the reason. Why did you put your lights on? You just saw a black guy here and just
For your safety
decided.
and mine, when I come behind you, I'm going to put my lights on.
I'm safe. I'm in the corner and parked legally.
Okay.
You think that's safe enough? I think you're lying. What is the real reason why you're here?
Sure, that you're okay and not disabled, that you may need a tow or something like that.
I don't
all the
think.
time.
I don't think that's the reason. You know that's not the reason. So
Okay.
can you mind stop lying and just get to the point? Why are you here?
Another reason is there was a complaint earlier that you may have exchanged words with somebody earlier.
Is that illegal?
Not illegal.
So then
Just
why-
wanted to make sure everything was okay.
I don't want.
Everything's okay,
Listen, I don't want to be
then I'm good
approached.
go.
Okay, my day was already messed up, and I just want to be left alone. That's it.
Completely fine. You are parked on the side of the road. Nothing wrong with that. I just want to make sure everything was okay. Is
Yeah,
there
you're
anything
drawing
you wanna-
attention to me by turning your lights on
you wanna have
there.
Any complaint signed against the person that you had words with?
Allegedly, right?
What's that?
Allegedly. Did you?
I did not take the report. I
Okay.
was told to come in the area because they had taken your plate down. So I'm just checking it out. If you don't want to sign complaints against them or talk to me about that, that's completely fine. You're doing nothing wrong. Sitting here on the side of the road.
I want nothing to do with any racist people out here. And I'm referring to whatever individual. I'm not saying you. Did I say
my
you?
job to check out to make sure everything's good.
I never said you were the racist. If I never identified you. I said I want nothing to do with any racists out here. Okay?
All right.
I just want to be left
Do
alone.
you live here in this development?
I'm not answering any questions. Does he live here in the development?
I don't know. I didn't speak to him.
So then why are you asking me these questions? I don't want to answer any
This
questions.
is kind of a private,
Private what?
semi-private. There's only an entrance and an exit.
Is this a public street?
A public
So then it's
street.
not
That's why I said
private then. Is that a fire hydrant? Right over there. Is that a red fire hydrant? Okay, so who puts fire hydrants up? Who puts the fire hydrants there? Is it a state-owned fire hydrant? Well, listen, then you probably need to go research it. I need to be left alone. I'm not doing anything wrong. If you want to go talk to someone, you can probably talk to whoever's in those
I
other
was
cars,
told that
okay?
you had some sort of exchange with somebody. I just wanted to make sure you're good to go.
I'm not answering any questions. I just want to be left alone.
That's fine.
Can I get a card number, please?
CAD number?
Yes, for the call.
I'd have to go back to my computer.
Sure. There's no threat here.
Somebody identification?
For what?
Know who I'm talking to?
I don't want you to know who you're talking to, and I don't need to know who you are. As a matter of fact, I do need to know who you are. Can I get your name and badge number, please?
Sinisi 1152.
Which department are you with?
Mama Police Department.
Or where is that located?
221 Franklin Turnpike.
Okay. And is this individual who's coming here your supervisor?
He is not my supervisor.
Can he identify himself to me, please?
He identify? You'd have to ask him. I can't do anything.
Yo, Officer Berger, 118.
Okay. And you were the same department?
Yeah, Mama.
Okay. Are you guys on the same level? Are you a supervisor?
No.
Okay. Okay. I would like to be left alone.
All right, sir. Can I just ask you about? Well, because I want to get your side. Because somebody came in
I have
reported
no-
like a dispute and said that you made threats. I just want to get your side so I can do a report on it.
I don't answer any questions. If that person said I made threats, have them provide you with evidence and take me to court. I have my evidence too. Okay? So I'm not answering any questions.
Okay.
I just want to be left alone.
That's what I told you from the beginning, did I not?
Told me what? No, you told me that you're here to check and see if I'm okay, if I need any assistance. And I know that's not the
You're on
bottom.
the side of the road, and it's not that
Do
far
you
off.
stop at every car that's parked to the side of the road and ask them, here, are you disabled? How often do you do that? You know that
We get calls all the time for that.
you didn't get a call for this. You don't have to butter me up. You can come and tell me the truth.
I'm not buttering you up.
Yes, don't approach me with a lie. Just come and tell me the truth. Hey, we got a call. You're not interested in my safety, and you and I both know my safety is not your concern according to the Supreme Court.
Okay, very good.
It's not.
All right, well, if you don't want to talk to the officer about the situation, you seem to be good to go. So no.
I
no
would
issues
just
here.
like the card number so
You
I can
want the
go.
CAD number?
Yes, so I can get the
I'll
call.
go to my vehicle, get the CAD
Thank you
number.
very much. I don't understand. This guy is such a racist guy, the one who called on me. And he really messed up my day.
Yeah, sir. All I wanted was to follow up with you. Obviously, if something was reported to us, I always get both sides before I do a report. All right, if you don't want to speak to me, that's
No,
fine.
I don't want to
So-
report with my name on it. But
Okay, no problem.
that individual is a racist, and I want nothing with my name next to his name. Or with anything regarding me
Listen,
next
I
to him.
understand that. That's why,
So,
I just wanted to, see if you had anything to add. The incident.
listen,
don't
if
speak
anything
to me, so
if anything
that's fine.
comes up in the future, I took video too.
Okay.
So we can move from there, okay? I'll have my company lawyer deal with him, and we can take it from there when the time comes. What?
Here's cat number.
Yeah.
Oops.
No, sorry, I got it back.
my bad.
Thanks.
All right, sir.
You too.
He asked for space, he asked for truth, but what he got was suspicion masked as concern. The officers may leave, the conversation may end, but the feeling stays. A day disrupted, a dignity tested, all because one man chose to sit quietly on a public street, and the one who called remains nameless, untouched. This isn't just an incident, it's a reflection, a reminder of how the simplest acts, just existing, can be questioned when seen through the wrong lens. Here is another case. A man stands calmly holding a camera, just recording, not interfering, yet tension rises. Officers, equipped with weapons and authority, feel threatened not by violence, but by observation. In a country built on freedom, why does filming spark confrontation? Why does knowing your rights make you a suspect? This isn't just another street interaction. It's a deeper reflection of power, pride, and fear of accountability.
Already 161? The farm building's right there, the green one. Oh! There's stuff right here. Could you stay back? You can record me, it's fine. Just do it on the sidewalk for it. Appreciate it, man. Thank you. Like I said, all these people are just record me over there, alright? Can you record me? Okay. It's different over there. Because you're kind of distracting me. There's a lot of people here.
How I'm distracting you?
I'm talking to you, and I can't.
You don't have to talk to me. You can stay
You're
over there.
distracting me. It's for my safety.
I'm not distracting you, bro.
I'm gonna be honest with you, and I'll be respectful as much as I can. All right, Officer Santana Ford. We're doing an investigation. This is a part of investigation. I need you to go on the sidewalk. This is not the sidewalk. I need you to go to the sidewalk.
Listen, I'm not obstructing your investigation.
You are.
I'm not.
I am telling you.
I'm not.
I'm giving you.
Why she not obstructing your?
I'm giving you a lawful order.
That's not a lawful order.
It is a lawful order to move to the sidewalk.
I don't consent to your lawful order.
Well, you're about to consent. I'm about to put you in the back of the seat.
I don't mind. I don't mind.
You gonna go to the side, or you gonna?
It'll be a fine on the city, not me.
Listen. What are you talking about?
I'm not obstructing your investigation.
A street lawyer?
No, what are you? A street cop?
Yeah, I'm a cop.
Yes.
Okay, that's great.
Listen, man, listen, we're talking
You're gonna use?
now.
You're gonna move to the side or not?
They came over here talking to me. I didn't say nothing to none of these officers. Get your supervisor here. Get your supervisor here. It's a whole barrier between us, bro. What do you mean I'm
Listen, this is
behind
an
you?
investigation. She's an investigation. He is.
We have a whole bunch of narcotics here.
So,
These
you
people
wanna
are
move?
involved.
Okay, that's
We're
fine,
talking
bro.
to them.
Y'all
I
can
don't
do.
need no one behind me
I didn't
while
come.
I'm talking.
I didn't come and say anything to you.
You don't have to say something.
My
Be a threat to
presence.
me.
My presence shouldn't be a threat to
Anybody can be a
you.
threat
You
to
got
me.
a gun on you.
Okay, I don't
You
know
got a
what you're
taser.
at.
You
can
got.
have a
You
gun
got
on you.
all.
It's legal now, by the way. As long as you're not.
But you have a gun on you, open carrying. How am I a threat?
Listen,
You can
hey,
tell I'm not a
Stand
threat.
there, record me. I don't care.
No,
Just
you
stand there.
can't give me a directed order to stand over there, brother. This America. You
I
can
know.
do your investigation. I'm standing right here.
Look, I'm gonna talk to her, right? I go like this. You're a threat to me, right?
You did that.
I didn't do that. Just stand there.
Just because you want to talk to her, you can't give me a direct order to stand over here for nothing, bro. Yeah, pay me. Thank you. That's a good. What's your name and badge number?
I don't sacrifice my safety to.
What's your name and badge number?
We're 44418.
That's beautiful. That's beautiful. That's a professional right there. Carrera is a professional guy. These other two officers is tyrants, man. They forget that they work in America. They think they work in Nazi Germany.
Hey, this guy called back or what?
Threatened me with arrest because I didn't want to stand on the sidewalk. This is crazy, man. And this is what we got to deal with in our community. All right, the guys probably did something they ain't supposed to do, but I'm doing something I'm legally bound to do. This is a protective activity that I'm doing right now. I'm just recording officers in their official capacity, and they all come bomb rushing me. I didn't commit no crime, but they want to put me on a crime by threatening me, by putting me in cuffs and behind a squad car. Think about that. See, we give these guys a gun and we give these guys a badge, but they don't respect it.
Hey, wait a minute. You get the fentanyl and the cocaine on the camera?
No, I'm narrating on my camera. I'm narrating to my audience. I said those guys may have did something wrong, but I'm talking about the wrong that the officers did by giving me unlawful directive order to move on the sidewalk. He didn't ask me. He didn't ask me, or he didn't ask me. They directed me to move. I'm telling you. But see, you addressing me. You addressing me. You're right. Yeah. I'm talking to the camera.
Hey, what's up?
How you doing?
They sent you over here to check on us again?
Huh?
They sent you over here to check on us again?
Check on y'all. Give a damn about y'all? Don't give a damn about y'all? Damn my clothing. I saw my bike. Didn't you just see my bike stop? I'm on the phone.
No, yeah, I remember. Just like the other thing you did 2 blocks away.
This guy asked me.
You get that petition written up on these trucks to go back around here.
This guy asked me, was I a street lawyer? Because I know a little bit of my rights. See how fast they are ready to violate your amendment? Look guys, we got more cars showing up. Back up. This is a sergeant. What's your name and badge number?
You have a lot of data.
What's your name and badge number?
45372, no problem.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
This guy right here, man, is a tyrant. Look, he's so afraid of the guy with the camera.
He never raised his voice, never crossed the line, but what he got in return were threats of cuffs and commands without cause, all for holding a camera, all for standing his ground. The badge is meant to protect, not intimidate, but as long as speaking truth feels like provocation, this will keep happening. Not every fight needs fists. Some just need to be filmed and remembered. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real stories that matter.